Hello everyone, I am going to share with you an important tip for effective gardening.
But before that, let's take a look at our plan, shall we?
Well, what do you think? It has grown healthily, isn't it?
Now, what's the secret? One important gardening tip that you should follow is you should start with a great soil. It is because when starting a garden, one of the top advice is to invest in soil that is nutrient-rich and well-drained. Try it at home and enjoy the result. Thank you! Tip that you should follow is you should start with a great soil. It is because when starting a garden, one of the
Hello everyone, I am going to share with you an important tip for effective.
Hello everyone, we are going to share with you an important tip for effective gardening. But before that, let's look at my plant. What do you think? It has grown naturally, isn't it? Now, what's the secret? One important gardening tip that you should follow is you should pay close attention to how much light different plants need. It is because most vegetables need full time to produce the best harvest. Try it at home and enjoy the result. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Hello everyone. We are going to share with you an important tip for effective gardening.
But before that, let's look at my plant.
What do you think? It has grown healthy, is it? Now, what's the secret?
One of the best gardening tips you ever get is to plant your new garden near a water source. Make sure you can run a hose to your garden side. So you don't have to lug water to it each time your plants get thirsty.
And the last one, you guys don't use water from drains or drainage system because it processed oil and detergents that damage plants. Try it home
And enjoy the result. Thank you. Bye.
Good afternoon guys, I'm Vikram from Team Sunday. This is our team leader Viren and this is our team members Wanisha, Aifa and Izazi. Hello everyone, I'm Viren. I'm going to share with you an important tip for gardening. But before that, let's look at my plant. What do you think? It has grown healthily, right? Now, what is the secret? Secret? One important gardening tips that you should follow is you should watering plants every day. This is because plants need to water for photosynthesis.
You mean photosynthesis?
Yes. Try it home and enjoy the result. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Hi everyone, we are from S group. We are going to share with you the important tips for extended gardening. But before that, let's look at the plan. What do you think?
It has grown healthily, hasn't it? Now, what's the secret? One important gardening thing is that you should water your plant, because plants need enough water for them. Try it at home and enjoy the result.
Thank you everyone.
Bye bye.
Hello everyone.
My name is Dami Batisha.
My name is Kisha Dadila.
My name is Putri dan Falisha.
We are going to share with you an important tip for effective gardening. But before that, let's look at our plants.
What do you think? It has grown healthily, hasn't it? Now, what's the secret?
One important gardening tip that you should follow is we should water the plants every day. It is because plants need water for photosynthesis.
Try it at home and enjoy the result. Thank you.
My name is Davina. My name is Kisha Dadila. My name is Vikram. We are going to share with you. Hello everyone. My name is Davina. My name is Kisha Dadila. My name is Vikram. We are going to share with you an important tip for effective gardening. But before that, let's look at our plan.
Menon.
Hello everyone.
My name is Dami Batisha.
My name is Kisha Dadila. We are going to share with you an important tip for effective gardening. But before that, let's look at my plan.
1, 2, 3.
Hello everyone. We are